your friends are in the house eating, but I didn't want you to have to wait, bud. You and the chickens. You guys can't be out here picking at my flowers and stuff looking for insects. You just can't. It's not fair. You're not my chickens. But here's some meow mix. Have at it. And then go home. It's only 10 o'clock, but I've not sat down since I got up. I just started putting away Halloween stuff. That's my mission today. I just started putting it away. This tree is starting to look stunning here, and it's yellow. It's very pretty out our window in the TV room there. It's lonely without my fern. I'm missing my fern. Now, anyway, I'm going to be really busy putting Halloween stuff up today. It's a lot of work. It's almost as much work as Christmas here. It's 11:30 now, and I am making good progress. Taking a minute to report that it hasn't rained anymore this morning, but it's not really clearing. This tree out the back window is coral bark. Japanese Mako Sango Cuckoo is starting to really look pretty. And I can see just a few hints out here of red on this tree. This tree was really pretty when it turned last year. I'm getting ready to start doing trips up and down the attic stairs. Mostly what I've done is I've redone my wreaths and gotten things in groups ready to bring down the boxes and pack them up. They're organized in sort of in groups. This, if anything doesn't get done today, it's going to be this. That could be its own little project. But Wednesday I need to do outside stuff again, so it would be great if I could finish inside stuff today. I always say this, but it has to look worse before it looks better. And right now, it definitely looks worse. I swear I've been working, what time is it now? It's 2 o'clock. I swear I've been working really hard, but we just brought the boxes down to put the stuff in. So I'm gonna work on that now. All right, I looked at one of the only clocks in the house that didn't set properly. It's 1 o'clock, but I've still been going since 8, and it's 1, so that's 5 straight hours. I'm taking 15 minutes to rest and watch the birds and do my bird count. I sure could use 15 minutes to sit down. I just hope I can get back going afterward. So I see 2 tufted titmouse at one time right now. It's 4:30 now. It's getting dark out there so early. I hate it. I've got help. I'm fixing to do the gel clings because the windows are a little bare right now and we don't want any birdies hitting the window. Table is ready for a few Thanksgiving or harvest themed things. And all this stuff in here is all boxed up and ready to be carried upstairs. I still got to swap out that fabric. I got to get the turkey shower curtains. I got to get the turkey door rug thing over there. I got an orange vase upstairs to grab to put up here, but it's coming. It's getting close. It's 6:15. Dawn's off work. It's dark out. Dawn helped me carry everything back upstairs, which I really appreciated because I have been going since 9 o'clock. I'm plumb wore out. What is that? That's 9 hours. Yeah, I'm really tired. I got to find a box for this and a box for this. You know, there's enough Thanksgiving and turkey happiness going on that, you know, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. It's good. I'm sure there'll be little things here and there that I'll do. Mostly I got to figure out what I'm going to decorate on that shelf. Hi, Donnie.
Hello, pretty girl.
Donald, when I get whatever I want up there, Donald will stand and I'll hand it up to him. I brought out my fancy cookie jar. It says, "Bless this home with love and laughter." And it's the mama holding the 2 little babies under her wings. It's kind of cute. And I put I don't know. I'm probably not doing anything with the tree for Thanksgiving except I put some owls on it because, you know, I'm not going to be able to go find turkey drumstick garland or something that's going to work over there. I will if I do, but All the Annalees are here. Eat more pie. Fancy wooden wreath. I got my 3D printed wreath here and on the door over here, and then I still got it in the other room. But I spend a lot of time in Johnny's room, the green room, so that's good. You can see the stuffies on the bed have been significantly thinned out. I did put one turkey, but that doesn't make up at all for what I took off. But here's our Japanese maple leaf wreath, and like I said, the other one is still in the other room. So I don't know. I sure am tired out, Donnie.
I bet.
I sure am tired.
All day.
I sure am tired out. Yeah. But we'll call it 95% good and leave it there. Yeah, and the Happy Thanksgiving shower curtains are up too. I did have room for all the houses, and they're back in the back or now in the curio cabinet over there, and one of them went on the end up here. Because this one matches, the tan matches the other friends' buildings better. Hello, fall, give thanks, and harvest. The kitty's very cute.